Forget everything you know about bikes. Today on ThinkVerse, we're shocking you with 10 bike inventions from the future. From bikes that fold to fit in a backpack, to tires that never go flat, and even a smart bike that protects you. Get ready for a ride that will change your perspective on two wheels. Let's dive in. Tired of your bike taking up all the space in your apartment or car? This isn't your average folding bike. Engineered to be incredibly lightweight and compact, it collapses down in seconds, making it perfect for city commuters or anyone short on storage. It's so small, you can literally carry it in a backpack, turning your commute into a seamless, hassle-free journey. Ever felt every bump and crack on a rough road? Say goodbye to shaky rides. This advanced suspension system uses smart technology to absorb shocks from even the most brutal terrain. It gives you an unbelievably smooth and comfortable ride, whether you're navigating urban potholes or conquering rugged mountain trails. Nothing ruins a great ride like a flat tire. These innovative tires are made from a revolutionary, non-puncturable material. You can ride over nails, glass, or anything else the road throws at you with absolute confidence, eliminating the need for constant repairs and saving you a major headache. This isn't just an electric bike, it's an intelligent companion. Combining sleek design with a powerful motor and a long-lasting battery, it makes long-distance travel feel effortless. Perfect for your daily commute or exploring new trails, this smart e-bike takes the strain out of pedaling, so you can enjoy the ride. Your safety is a priority. This bike is equipped with built-in sensors and cameras that actively monitor your surroundings. It provides visual and auditory alerts when vehicles or objects approach from behind, giving you a full 360-degree awareness without having to constantly look over your shoulder. Never get lost again. This bike comes with a built-in GPS system that lets you track your location and find the best routes with ease. Whether you're exploring a new city or tackling a remote trail, this feature ensures your journey is smooth and stress-free. So, which of these incredible inventions blew your mind the most? Let us know in the comments below. Are you Team Smart e-bike or Team Puncture-Proof Tires? And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss our next video from ThinkVerse. Until next time.